Good morning. Absolutely. I mean, this idea of honor killing, there is nothing honorable about this. I think this is the greatest shame upon the parents who have so brutally taken this young life of a 17-year-old who had everything going for her. The Quran is so ferociously against the murder of any individual that eternal hellfire is prescribed as a punishment for such individuals. And the Quran talks about the uncivilized female infanticide which was practiced by Arabs before the advent of Islam, when little daughters would be buried alive in the sand. And this is, to my mind, something very, very similar. It is utterly disgusting, has got nothing to do with the teachings of Islam. And if they claim that this is part of any culture, then that culture is absolutely uncivilized. If a family feel that just by changing one's religion their young one has brought shame upon them, then the answer to that is not taking their life. The answer to that is to sit down with them and try and understand why they have made those decisions. And Islam does acknowledge the fact that as adults, people have the right to make decisions for themselves, and they face those consequences in the court of God. It is not for us to take the law into our own hands. Murdering someone is not the answer to differences of opinion. The answer is dialogue, to sit down and understand different positions and accept that people will want to be different from time to time. We live in a society where we promote and we encourage people to make their own choices and their own decisions. And if we nurture our children from a young age and instill in them values of our culture, of our religion, and of our society at large, then we hope that they will make right decisions. And to think that just because our youngsters have made a decision that is unpalatable to us, that has brought on dishonor upon us, is absolutely misplaced. In fact, I would say that one should take courage that young people are able to and are making decisions for themselves, but we have to be there to guide them when they make those decisions, to give them an upbringing which will help them to make decisions which are suitable for us either culturally or religiously. But the important thing for me is that the idea that just because, and now we've taken two routes here. One is we say this is against Islam, fair enough. The other route that has been taken is that this is part of culture. But we cannot accept this to be part of any culture whatsoever. This is uncivilized behavior. This is pure brutal murder. This young girl, her life has just been taken away from her just because of some choices she made.